Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix the out of video memory error that you get while trying to play games or using software in Windows. To get started, simply search for View Advanced System Settings and open it. Then under Advanced, click on Performance Settings. Then go to Advanced tab and then click on Change. Now uncheck this option from here. Selecting the C drive, click on Custom Size. Now set the initial size to the recommended values you see in your system. Now to set the maximum size, we need to do a calculation. Simply go to the properties of your system and determine the amount of RAM installed on your PC. Once determined, open the calculator app. Now multiply 8 into 1024 into 1.5. Now whatever you see the value here, simply set it in the maximum size and then click on set. Then click on OK. Now it will ask you to restart your PC for the changes to take effect. Save the changes, and once here, click on restart now and you won't get the error further. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and stay tuned to the channel for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.